back to my channel. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys how I put in my eye contacts. So I've been using these for a while, so I just put them inside water, clean water, and you just take that out. You can use a pair of tweezers. You just pick it. So I want to make sure your hands are clean. Gently open your eyes. And that is it, guys. See how easy that was? I'm just going to show you one more time for the other eye. And there you are, guys. And these contacts are the fresh look contacts. I'm just going to leave a picture somewhere on the screen for you guys to see. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe it motivates me to create more videos. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all in my next video.